Yeah, I'm just gonna cruise a little bit. Hey, how you doing? These how fast I'm going. XO-1? Yeah, I can't catch it. This car is very fast. Yeah, let me see. Let me see. I'm gonna do. Oh shit, they got this blocked off. I can't do anything. Yeah, I'll just speed. Hell no. It's too fast. Too fast. Too fast. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh yeah, this car is very fast. You know I can't even catch it. Nah, that car too fast. That car too fast. Nah, my truck can't even catch this. It's too fast, dude. That car is too damn fast. Watch out for that bump. Yeah, I'll cruise it on the road. Don't let it flip. Be careful, that steering's too squirrely. Yeah. I shouldn't have done that, but it's okay. I'm just gonna cruise it. We got an XO-1 on the road, guys. 100 miles per hour car. Look at the XO-1. I'm gonna pull over right here. Oh, watch the curve. Don't let it hit. This car's brand new. Yeah, I can't let it hit the curve. This car's brand new. I'm gonna pull over right here. Watch out for the shoes. Oh shit, a car right behind me. Are you kidding me? I'll just make a U-turn. I'm gonna pull over right here so I can get a good speed one. Yeah, I'm gonna pull over right here. Yeah, right here is good.